Today we are at Apieti, Western region, Bogoso, where the explosion happened. So we are here to take a coverage of the new place, the new settlements for you. So take a tour with us as we give you exacting content. Thank you. On the 20th of January 2022, a motorbike rider transporting explosives for the gold mine in Bogoso unfortunately went under a truck, causing an explosion in an area at Apieti community near the city of Bogoso, about 180 miles west of the capital city of Ghana, Accra. After the blast, people in the community rushed down to the scene before a second blast occurred few minutes later, destroying dozens of buildings and injuring many. As of 22nd January, a total of 13 people had been confirmed dead and some 59 injured people rescued and referred to Bogoso Government Hospital, where they received treatment. This disaster led the people of Apieti homeless. So the government of Ghana, in collaboration with other NGOs, decided to build a new community for the people of Apieti. So this is where we are today, and this is the community that you are seeing on your screens. The government has finished the building and has been commissioned, but the people of Apieti has not started living in their homes. They have not been transferred back to this community. So we went there to film this documentary and nobody is living in the community. They are still living in their places where the NADMO find for them. So this is Apieti.